Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. To organize my kitchen, I had ordered a few products from Nestasia and received it today. All the products are safely packed with foam sheet and bubble wrap so the products don't get damaged. So let's quickly unbox the product one by one. The first product is Nestasia Stainless Steel Countertop Chopping Board. It's non-porous and made with food-grade stainless steel. It's durable, slip resistant and rust resistant. And the next one is my most favorite, Nestasia Spice jar and oil bottles rack. It is a set of 12 with 10 spice jar and 2 oil dispenser. It's BPA free and made with food safe material. With airtight bamboo lid, each container has a 450 ml capacity. And this beautiful set of 2 oil dispenser has 560 ml capacity each, and the lids are made with bamboo wood with stainless steel spout. Since the wood frame is made with bamboo wood, it's eco-friendly, sustainable and a beautiful addition to my kitchen. The seasoning jars have a capacity of 100 ml each. The lids are made with bamboo wood and a sifter cap, easy to sprinkle. The next one is this beautiful white Kindlepot ceramic cookware with a durable build quality. It retains heat for longer durations. The surface is non-reactive and food safe. It's naturally non-stick and also microwave and dishwasher safe. This is Nestasia Stainless Steel Double Walled Casserole. It has a premium quality stainless steel body. It has a transparent glass lid so you can see what's inside it. It's perfect for everyday use. The next one is Groovo Food storage containers. It is a set of 5 containers. The grooved base helps to keep the food fresh. It's 100% toxin free and food safe. It's made with premium high quality borosilicate glass and the lids are BPA free. They are microwave and oven safe without lid, and with the stackable design it saves space in the fridge. The links will be given in the description, you can check them out.